Welcome to Friday Focus, September 2nd, 2016. I want to talk about something called the Net Promoter Score. And a Net Promoter Score is something we use to measure our patient's satisfaction to our services. So are they promoting us or are they detracting from us? Things like referrals and staying patients with us, giving us business is going to require a high Net Promoter Score, and we check that pretty regularly. We've been doing well. The things that we ask the patients on the Net Promoter Score include ease of scheduling an appointment, are they greeted in a prompt and friendly manner, service and options well explained, service satisfaction, the wait time, service provider, cleanliness, and the overall experience. I want to tell you, in July, Warren had 100% Net Promoter Score. That's the best possible, obviously. So great job, Warren. And we're going to talk to some of the Warren staff, see what they did to make that happen. One of the things that we saw was the biggest concern people had is the not respecting their time. That's a concern. So the time that they wait from the waiting room to get back into the room, and the time it takes them to see the provider. So that's something we can work on, so we can get towards having all the offices having a higher and higher Net Promoter Score. So really focus on time. That's one of our brand promises, which is excellent service, which we're giving, obviously, respecting people's time, something we have to work on, and great results, of course, we're do great at. So good job. Thank you.
Here at Warren, we're striving to make this year the biggest year. We're doing that by implementing our core values. One of the ones that I've been working on lately is excellence in service. I try to always greet patients with a smile on my face, always try to make them feel as comfortable as possible, and just make their experience in our office as enjoyable as possible every time they're here.
Here in Warren, we have been striving to meet our goals. We've been using our core values to the extent of making the patient happy along with our team players. We are working very hard as a team to improve this throughout our office.
Here at Warren, we strive to be the best office. We strive to give our patients, number one, 100% customer service. We love to give all of our patients the utmost respect. We treat no one different than the other. I feel your first impression is lasting, so I really take that to heart. I feel you don't control a lot in the world, so why not control your actions and how you treat people? And it just makes me feel great to know that our patients are leaving here happy and with a smile and with gifts, and they're going to tell all of their friends. And I really take that to heart, and that's what makes me give all of our patients the utmost respect, and I really try to treat them like family.
My name is Arnold Barber, nicknamed Butch. I am here at the Allure Medical Spa. I initially came here because I was going on vacation to Hawaii, and I had a little vein problem, and I wanted to wear my shorts. So my wife said, let's go to Allure Medical Spa. We had an experience with other people who had a great experience. So unfortunately, they wasn't able to get me in before we went to Hawaii, but there's other trips and plans coming for me, so I'll be able to show off my beautiful legs, as my wife say they are, to other locations that we go. My experience here at the medical spa has been superb. The people here are awesome, and I had a very, very good experience. The first person I come in contact with besides Jennifer was the receptionist in Madison, and they made me feel at home, and everyone else from that point on, such as Jamie, Rebecca, Tia, Madison, Mariah, Jen, Lindsay, Sandy, Sandra, the list just go on and on. I felt so comfortable coming here, and I have a few more appointments that I brought my grandson. He's 18 months old, and my grandson had the time of his life. They made him feel comfortable. They changed the TV channels in the lobby for him to a cartoon channel, and he was very content. He was entertaining. He was entertained by the staff here. So I take my hat off, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart, to the staff and the people here at Allure Medical Spa. They are the best. I've been many places around the world, but there's no place they made me feel at home like the place here. The procedure was well, they talked me through it, no hidden agenda. It was a step-by-step verbal conversation of my experience. So if I was to recommend it to anyone, I would recommend it to the world, including our President of the United States. This is the place. And I have to also take my hat off to the man who's interviewing me. His name is Quentin. He's a good person. I feel it from my heart, and I'm not saying it because he's here. My heart tells me Quentin is a good man, so I take my hat off to him as well. Kudos to you.